Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about the body fluids. Let's see what is meant by the body fluid. The body fluids are the fluid such as the blood, lymph, milk and the saliva which are the produced in the body and then either circulated within the body and or secreted outside it. Now, causes of the fluid. The fluid retention may be a symptom of the serious underlying condition which includes the kidney diseases such as the nephrotic syndrome and the acute glomerulonephritis, heart failure. If the heart does not pump the effectively, the body compensates in various ways. It starts to retain the fluid and increase the volume of the blood. Now, let's see how the fluid works or how it is used in the body. The fluids have the many uses which included the holding and the transporting other materials in or outside the body. The substances in their fluid can be form a shape and then cool to the become solid. Whether it is a race car or a family car, an automobile needs fluids and the fluid technology to run the smoothly, safety and the effectively. Now let's see about what is fluid. What type of the fluid is present in the our body. There are mainly body fluids are mainly it contains the inside the body of the living organisms which serve as a medium or carry the nutrients and the base product from the cells. It is medium for carried the chemicals communicators. Example for the body blood are the interstitial fluid. In the body, it contains the blood plasma, urine, lymph, and these fluids are categorized broadly into mainly two types. That is extracellular fluid and the intracellular fluid. What the extracellular fluid means what? The fluids which are outside the cell are called as extracellular fluids, and these fluids are consist 20% of the body weight 40 that is 14 liter in a normal 70 kgs adult. And the intracellular fluids are the fluids which are consist inside the cells which called as a intracellular fluids. It consists 40% of the total body weight in an average adult. Let's see the main function of the body fluids in the body. The important functions are the body fluids facilitate the transportation of the oxygen and the nutrients throughout the body and remove the waste from the body. Next function is they help in the regulating the body temperature, and last one is they maintain an efficient metabolism of the body. Now let's see what types of the body fluid. First there are different types of the body fluid present in the body, which consist of the blood, plasma, lymph, serotonin fluid and many others. We are discussing one or two in them of. First is a blood. There are the blood contains various components such as the plasma, red blood cell, white blood cells and the platelets. The plasma is a liquid component of the blood, and it is consists the thick fluid which make the 55% of the total blood volume, with the rest of the volume made by the blood components such as the RBC, WBC and the platelets. The plasma is a 91% of water, and the rest of total volume is made up of the dissolved ions, suspended proteins, dissolved gases, nutrient molecules and the waste product. Albumin is the major protein which are present in the plasma, and the other proteins include the immunoglobulins and the clotting factor. Next one is the RBC. The RBCs are the around 40% of the blood contents, and the RBC contains the hemoglobin protein that gives the red color to the blood. Next one is a white blood cell, which is known as a WBC. The WBC are the very few in the number or very few number in amount of the blood in the our body. The WBC to the RBC ratio is the 1:600, and WBC mainly protects the body against the infection. Now next one is the platelets. Platelets are the fewer in the number in the red blood cells, and the platelets have ability to clotting of the blood at the site of the wound. Next one is a lymph. Lymph is a colorless fluid which is present in the interstitial tissues, and it circulates throughout the lymphatic system, and it can be defined as a blood without RBCs. The exchange of the nutrients, hormones, and the gases occurs through these fluids mainly, and it consists of the lymphocytes that plays a major function in the immunoresponse of the body. Thank you.